One of the biggest challenges I face owning this channel is trying to get a build ready every week to share. And I want to do that for you so I can first review the guns that you're looking at yourself so you don't waste your money, and also to stay relevant in the space so I can build this community and hopefully make this a full-time job one day. The issue is sometimes I just can't get all the parts I need in time, or it's a waiting game to hear back from companies I'm working with. I've been trying to come up with a solution for this so I can make sure I'm posting more regularly, but I haven't thought of anything super great yet. I do, however, want to be an asset for you, so in this video I want you to comment below. Tell me what gun you want to see, what questions you have, or anything I can speak to. Then I'll make a video answering those questions, and I'll work on getting the guns ready in advance to do reviews on. Your questions can be about guns, camera gear, editing, cars, whatever you're interested in, and I'll see if I can answer it. Though I do still think I'm going to make a separate channel if you have car questions. In the meantime, I'm just going to show you some of the builds I'm working on and talk briefly about each one, even though they're not done yet. Super quick before I jump into that, the best way to support the channel is by becoming a member of the kit page, where I provide discount codes and organize all of the links to everything I talk about on the channel. Huge thank you to the sponsors of the channel, Guns Online, thank you. I have their stuff and discount codes linked on the kit page. And of course, Optics Planet, use this code at checkout or use the better code on the kit page. So in the past on the channel, I've been getting a ton of requests to dive into the bolt action long range world. And so I reached out to Sig and they were able to send over a Cross in 308, which I am very excited to review. I've been really impressed with this so far. Really don't have a ton of time on it yet. I'm just at the beginning stages, but at 100 yards, I have been able to stack rounds with specific ammo, and I'm excited to share what I'm able to achieve with this. Again, I'm not a super talented long range shooter, but I do want to see how far I can take it out. And this should be a pretty good review because I really didn't upgrade anything that you can't do yourself. There's no barrel upgrades, trigger upgrades, bolt upgrades, or anything like that. Pretty much the entire rifle is OEM, and I'm going to go over all of those things and why in the full review. But needless to say, I am super excited for this build. It's going to be an awesome one. Speaking of bolt action rifles, I do have a Ruger chambered in 6.5 Creedmoor. I'm really excited to see how far I can take this one out. I really have no idea where I want to go with this build yet. It might just be a basic hunting rifle, but I just need to go out and shoot it to see where I want to go with it. So I'm excited to show you guys those two bolt actions. I did reach out to PSA to get a Krink chambered in 5.45 by 3.9. I am really excited to build out this gun. It's going to be in collaboration with Midwest Industries, as they make some of my favorite parts for ARs and AKs. So as soon as I have this build put together, I am way excited to train with it and show you guys what I like or dislike about this AK. When I first pulled out of the box and started messing with it, I had the thought, am I about to become an AK guy? I don't know. I guess we'll see. So I'm looking forward to this build coming in the future. As for the handgun lineup, I do have another Glock 19 Gen 5 coming to the channel. My last Glock 19 build got over 1 million people excited to watch the channel. It's pretty much what built this channel. So I'm way excited to bring back a new version of the Glock 19. Everything I would pick these days and why. This build is almost done, so you will be seeing this on the channel very soon. Next up in the handgun lineup, I do have the Daniel H9. I've been training with this one, taking it to range days, figuring out what I like and what I don't like about it, but I will say overall it shoots very nice. I actually did do a full range review on this handgun, so you can watch that a couple videos back on the channel. It's hard for me to post a full review until I have enough rounds downrange and I feel comfortable talking about it, and also it looks the way that I want. So this full review will be coming soon, but for now, if you want to see some of my first impressions on this build, that is available on the channel. Next up, I do have a Walther PDP Pro Compact. I was able to talk to them a little bit at SHOT Show, and this has been a really highly requested handgun, so I'm excited to talk about it on the channel. Unfortunately, I have so many other things going on, I haven't been able to shoot this a whole lot or really build it out in any way, so this build will be coming in the future. I need to do a couple of these other ones first, but look forward to the Walther PDP Pro. This trigger is absolutely insane. I'm excited to talk more about it. And then last up in the handguns, I do have a Stealth Arms Platypus that I am super excited to talk about. I was also able to chat with the owner of Stealth Arms at SHOT Show. He's one of the most genuine and honest guys out there. I am super excited to review this gun. I did take it to my last range day and was able to shoot it, and so far with 100 rounds downrange, I am super impressed. I definitely need to shoot it more and get to know the gun better, but so far this thing is really cool and I'm super excited to shoot it more. So these are some of the current builds I'm working on. This isn't even all of them, but these are the main ones that I'm focusing on for now. I've even been trying to decide if I want to incorporate some of my older builds back into the channel. Some of them I have updated, and I'm trying to gauge whether you would be interested in seeing some of those older builds come back to the channel for full reviews again with the updates that I've made. For example, my original tactical shotgun, I've made quite a few changes to it that I actually really like. So if you'd be interested in seeing this or maybe another build from earlier on the channel, let me know, and I'll consider whether or not I've made enough changes to it to make a whole new video worth it to you. So now you know what I'm working on. Feel free to drop comments about any questions you have about these or whatever else you want me to talk about, and I'll do my best to answer some either by replying directly to the comment or by answering it in the next video. Make sure you get out to the range and train so you can be more capable of defending innocent life, and I will see you in the next one.